What's up guys, this is Ken from Tech Open back again with another video, this time to show you the unboxing of the Echo 4th generation speaker from Amazon. And this time I've actually purchased two of them because I want to set them up in stereo. I was really curious to test that out. I did the unboxing of the Echo 4th in blue, that blue gray version, which I wasn't really fond of, the colorway. So that's why I got these, and I decided to get two of them to set them up in stereo mode. So I'm really curious to test that out. I'm going to show you guys how you do that, and if it's worth doing that or not, if you notice like a huge sound difference or not. So yeah, let's unbox the device. I'm not going to unbox both of them because that would be a repetitive process. I'm just going to unbox one, and then the other one I'll do it off the video. And yeah, so let's open this, guys. Okay, so let's pull this little tab here. So here on the right side we have the power plug. So we have the speaker. Nothing else inside the box. Oh no, we have the manuals. Sorry, I forgot about the manuals. Let's get this to the side. So you have a little manual, which comes in English, German, French, Italian, and Spanish. And it tells you how to set this up, buttons and whatnot. Then it has this little leaflet, which is important information. It's like a safety manual. Not going to see that, not important. Okay, so here we have the speaker. So you can see this is the black one, which I much prefer over the blue one. You can see the buttons. So you have the volume down, volume up, you have the action button, and you have the mute button to mute the microphone if you don't want the microphone to pick any voices up. You can also see the ring light on the bottom part. You know, on the Echo Plus and the Echo 3rd we had it on the top part here, and also on the Echo Dot. And now they've chosen this spherical kind of shape, and they place the light on the bottom. Now, some people like this, some people don't. It really depends on personal preference. You have this little thread here. I believe this is to mount this to like mounts and whatnot. You have the foot rest, which is all rubber to keep this from slipping on your table, so make it nice and sturdy and secure. This is all plastic right here, all plastic. This is fabric. The buttons have a rubbery texture, but it's a hard rubber. Here on the back part of the device, we have the power port and the 3.5mm jack to connect your speaker to other speakers, so you can output this to other speakers. Now we have the charger as well. So you can see this is the charger, and the connector right here. So in terms of length, the cable measures about 150 centimeters in length. Okay, so let's plug this in. So it's now starting up. So all we have to do is wait for it to turn orange. Now it's ready to connect to your device.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
Okay, so now we're going to go here to devices. And it already detected. I don't even have to add, I don't even have to press the plus sign to add the speaker. It detected it right away because it's a new speaker. And now it says Echo can be set up later or continue. I'm going to do continue. So that's what's so great. If you configure the app, if you have everything set up, it's really easy to set up, as you can see. They've also improved that a lot. Okay, now you need to connect to your Wi-Fi network.
Your Echo is ready.
So now it's ready to go. Just to continue. And now I'm going to tell it in which room I want it. So in this case, I'm going to set it up in my office, which is already right here. I'm going to press office, continue. So the setup is complete. Okay, so in order to pair these speakers into a stereo setup, I have both already connected to my app and to my network. So everything's ready to go. And they're all set up on Office. So I'm going to enter Office, and you can see I have both speakers here. One is named Second Echo, and this one is Second Echo 4. I can click any one of them. And I go here into Stereo Pair Subwoofer. And now I'm going to choose the two devices I want to pair. They have to be the exact same speakers. You can only pair the exact same speakers together, okay? So I'm going to do next. Okay, so I'm going to do left.
Left channel.
It identifies this one as the left channel.
Right channel.
And this one as the right channel. So I'm going to test
Left channel.
left channel,
Right channel.
right channel. They're actually both at different volumes. I don't know if you noticed that. You can swap them if you want to. And then you're going to do next. And now I want to set the area where I have them. In this case, it's the office. So I'm going to put office. You can see I have them set up in a stereo configuration. I added a name. I added a group name. You can change that later if you want to. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to give the order to play music. Play non-copyright music. Alexa, volume 70%. Alexa, volume 80%. You can see as I lower the volume on one speaker, it does it on both. Now I'm actually playing around with the bass, giving it more bass for you guys to get an idea. Obviously the microphone that I'm using isn't making justice to the sound quality coming out of these speakers, and I apologize for that. But what I can tell you is in person, this sounds really, really nice. They sound really, really nice. The dual setup, the stereo setup, is it worth it? Is it worth spending twice as much to get the dual setup? If you want to get it set up in a stereo configuration, yes, it is worth it. You do notice a sound difference. It does separate sound a little bit better. So I would probably opt into getting the Studio, the Echo Studio, which is it's that bigger speaker. It has much more bass, a little bit more power, and you just have one speaker. You don't have to have two on your table, which it kind of takes up space on your table as well. But yeah, if you want to get it, if you have the money to spend and you want a little bit more separation, a little bit more volume, a little bit more sound quality, you do notice a little bit of a difference here, guys, to be honest. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, leave your thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Leave any comments in the comment section regarding these speakers, and if you would set them up in this configuration yourselves, or if you think it's worth it from what you've seen in the video. Although it doesn't make the best justice, the microphone that I'm using isn't the best one to actually show the sound quality of the speakers. If you like this video, leave your thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate that, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and stay safe.